I'm pretty aggressive.
What's it? And hey, credit to and cap is fine. I like the cap. Thank you for the cap.
Hey guys, like during that my
There's a pharmacy around you.
You guys, we are here with
I can't hear you. 50. He's not serious. He should not have come back to Man U. It's our problem. I think you're a legend. Just don't stop.
You guys have been camping. We want to finish all our products. But guys, I feel like if you finish it's only that KYC part, we can actually go live next week. Don't hopefully me.
I was like, me,
yes,
as far as I'm concerned,
I'm tired.
As far as I'm concerned, guys, should we go live today? I will do. I need money. I need money.
Hey guys, good. Actually, the time is like past 2 right now, but good afternoon. Sorry about the noise you're hearing. I didn't give a proper intro. I've been cleaning since morning and also watching like movies. I finished The Grey Man and I'm watching another one. It's a Turkish movie, Don't Blame Karma. Anyway, so I'm about to go out now to buy groceries. I'm not going somewhere too far. It's actually close to me, like a shop where I can buy all the shit I need. I think think I should tuck this in now. Oh, I love this jeans, guys. Now I will show you guys. Oh no, I'll show you guys in another vlog, in the vlog, because I'm filming this video and a vlog, so I'll show you guys in the vlog. But it's so cute. I just love the wash of it, like purr. It's crazy how you guys can't even see it. Do I leave this out? Maybe tuck it in by the side. Yeah, I think we should do that. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so I'm just going to get ready. I'm also going to be taking out this you know, this hair, and I'm going to also wash my hair. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, okay? And let's go out. Hey guys, so I just finished sorting out my laundry and I poured myself a glass of wine just to chill while I'm preparing lunch. I already snacked on a few things throughout the day. I had 2 donuts in the morning, and then I just had meat pie and a fish roll, so I was like, I'm going to have something light. Yeah, just wanted to check in with you guys. Honestly, the time is past 4, so it's like I don't know what else we're going to be able to get done today, because I have some work to do. But laundry is tomorrow, that's for sure, because I'm already feeling a bit tired. So yeah, I'm just going to watch. I think I'll watch a movie while I eat. So when I'm done eating, then I will start working just for like maybe an hour. Then I get back to, you know, cleaning and all that.